Most businesses waste 20 full hours weekly on repetitive tasks. What if AI could handle them automatically? In the next 7 minutes, you'll see exactly how to implement AI automation and reclaim your time. Your team spends countless hours on repetitive tasks, data entry, email responses, scheduling, invoicing. Each hour costs money. AI automation eliminates these bottlenecks instantly. Businesses implementing save an average of 20 hours weekly per employee. That's nearly one full workday recovered. Multiply that across your team and you're looking at massive productivity gains. First, customer support. Chatbots handle 80% of inquiries instantly, reducing response time from hours to seconds. Second, lead qualification. Automation scores prospects automatically, saving your sales team days of research. Third, content creation. AI generates emails, social posts, and reports in minutes instead of hours. These 3 areas alone can free up 15+ hours weekly. Step 1. Identify your most time-consuming tasks. Step 2. Choose the right AI tool for that specific task. Step 3. Set up simple workflows. No coding required. Most tools connect with your existing software. Step 4. Monitor results. Track time saved and revenue impact. Start with one automation, then scale. Businesses see ROI within 30 days. One e-commerce business automated their customer support and cut response time by 95% to bake. Another agency uses AI for proposal writing and completed 3x monthly. A SaaS company automated lead qualification and increased conversion rates by 40% in automated lead qualification. These aren't outliers. They're typical results when automation is implemented correctly. Ready to save 20 hours per week? Subscribe for more business strategies. Hit like and comment which task you'd automate first.